Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw. I don't have a chainsaw on me right now, but if I did, that would be really fucking funny. Don't you think?
Well, it's certainly nice and golden color, but not the same as color as a mango. But you know what they say, you don't tango with the Rango.
Dodge Durango.
Bingo bango.
So not only is there a mango, but there's also an orange flavor in there too. That should be something for sure. But we'll see how our taste buds can handle this deadliness. On Hey buddy, wake up.
What the God?
No.
Ernie?
Look.
Holy shit. Oh, okay. So we got Mango Chainsaw here. And, I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't be looking forward to this, even though I like mangoes and I like oranges. Honestly, I'm thinking about it now. This is all these sparkling waters. It's just the perfect, and I mean the absolute perfect nightmare rotation. Because it's all clear. I'm here. And this doesn't look quite like beer. Sniff test. I smell mango, but it's like hiding behind a curtain. I don't smell orange. So, let's give it a swirl, I guess.
You went all in.
What
Wow.
the
Uh-oh.
I felt my nervous system take a fucking screenshot.
Oh no.
I think I just factory reset System 32 delete.
Oh god.
Blue screen even.
Oh no, that's not good.
I'm not a fan. I'm sorry. I wanted to like this. I'm not a fan. But I'll be nice. 3 out of 10. But still. Why?
Good enough for me.
Good enough for me. 1, 2, 3.
Yep. Does smell like, something fruity and all that stuff. It must be the mango. Yeah, but it's kind of faint. It's kind of a faint type of smell. But we'll see the taste. Yep. Alright. It's not bad. I mean, I could taste a little bit of, the flavor that's supposed to be. I'm not gonna go out of my way for this, but I'll give it a 5.
Bingo bango. Mango chainsaw. Alright, so this is mango chainsaw. There's mango, there's what, orange you said?
Yes, on the ingredients list.
Yeah, mango, orange, and that's the flavor.
Yes.
Very bubbly. Smells like mango. I'm gonna be real. I'm not rocking with this one. 4 out of 10. I am not getting this one.
Shout out to my boy Denji from Chainsaw Man for making this drink possible.
Cool.
Sponsored.
I hope so.
We better.
Not a fan of mango things. Oh, that's not true. I just don't like mucho mango from Monster.
Oh no.
Oh, it does smell like a mango. Holy shit. Overwhelming mango.
Oh no.
Let's do it. I mean, it's not bad. It's not good either.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's a solid 5. Like, that's like, it's okay. I would drink it if I was at like a Starland Ballroom show or like a
Starland ain't selling that.
Or yeah, you know what? Good point. I like
PNC.
I was about to say
PNC is different.
a PNC Bank Arts Center show. I would definitely drink this at like 100% if this is the last thing they had, but only if they had this and that was it.
Spike it with vodka.
So that's definitely a 5. I don't want it. I don't want that, John.